Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today is part 1 of our 5-part video series all about having an entrepreneurial mindset. So the first part is knowing that your success is inevitable. You have to be really stubborn in the fact that you'll never give up, but flexible in your approach. And you have to keep trying and keep trying and keep trying until you succeed. So when I was in my network marketing company as a very young and naive newbie entrepreneur, I just acted as if my success was inevitable, and I did whatever it took to succeed. So that meant I showed up every single day, even when it wasn't convenient. And it meant that I tried so many different strategies to reach that success. So I went to events, I read books, I did push groups with my mentors, I bought leads, I did cold calling, I learned how to form, I created hundreds of YouTube videos, I invited every single day, I learned how to work with people, some recommended reading, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, and GEMS, that's a program by Danny Johnson. And I'm trying to think if there's anything that I didn't try when it came to my network marketing business. I'm pretty sure I did everything. I'm not proud of everything that I did, but I was relentless and I didn't give up. I sucked for quite a while, but I was so freaking stubborn and I knew that I was getting close. And there was one strategy that I was missing. Most people would have given up. And I saw tons of people on our team that started at the same time as I did, and they gave up. I didn't. And this is a core belief that you must develop. Repeat after me. My success is inevitable. All right, I'll talk to you later. Head to she'smakinganimpact.com to get some more tips to build your business. And